Hey everyone, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of Linux, one of the most powerful and widely used operating system in the world. If you have ever wondered about Linux file structure and file system and related to files, commands and all, we can discuss today. So first we'll explore different Linux file system and then we can understand their use cases, and then we can go with the Linux commands as well. So stay with me till the end. So firstly we can start by using we can launch a instance for Linux server to execute practicals and all. So we can I will launch a EC2 instance with the name of Linux server. This time we can go with Ubuntu or else Amazon Linux. Yesterday we have used Ubuntu. Today we can go with Amazon Linux as well, no problem. So T2 micro is free tier. Then yesterday we have already created a key pair. Okay, I think it is not available. I think we can create a new key pair. Key pair name what we can give Linux key pair, something like this, and we can create. Okay, after that we can use the security groups, which is default one. 8 GB is enough, and then we can launch. Okay, come to instance, click on refresh. So click on this. Here I didn't given this SSH port 2022. Once I will check in default one already I have provided or not, we can check. Bone rules, yeah, which one I have used, maybe I will check once. Instance, security, group rule ID. This is security one, we can click on this. Inbound only, this is there is no SSH port, so we can edit, we can add rule, we can go to SSH 22 and we can use 00, which is having an full access. Save rules, come back to instances and connect. Directly I will going to connect here by using EC2 instance connect. So today we can talk about file system and their structure firstly, then we can go with their commands as well. So okay, here we are able to see. I will try to zoom. Okay, now we can click clear and see. So firstly we can click cd, which is change directory. Okay, cd is change directory, which is going to change the directory of the particular path. See, in Linux we call directory, but in Windows you all know we call folders. In Windows we call folders, right? Folders, files and all. Here we call Linux as a directory, and here in Windows we call files as a files. Here in Linux also we call files as a files only, with no difference in that. So changing directory, so I will click cd and a root will be in root. See, in this you can see this tilt symbol. If you click change directory and this arrow, you are able to see this is going to change. So if you click a list, ls is called list command. So if you click ls, you are able to see the structure. We are having bin, boot, dev, etc, home, library, local, media, mount, opt, proc, root. So a lot of things are available here. So one by one we can talk about. So particularly bin contains all binary executable files that is used in normal user also. So bin binary executable files are available in bin directory. I will show you cd bin. If you open, these are the executable files. Okay, if I want to come back means, please click cd and dots, two double dots. Once you click, you will come outside. If you click again a list, you are going to come out of this. See, clear. Again once, see, you are able to see what you can do. ls hyphen al. See, you can see ls hyphen al is also about it will list all in detail, which is root, what is the date and time as well, what is the permissions it is having, everything it will showcase here. See, bin about boot. About booting. In booting we are having a which is bootable when a system is going to reboot. A booting content like a system boot will be there, including like kernel and bootloader configuration. This directory is going to have this critical system startup processes and all in this boot. So one by one I will explain. Without opening now, I will open one by one and I will explain. But in this boot we are having uh, bootloader configurations and kernel configurations will be available in this directory. Okay. In dev, coming to dev, dev is going to hold files that represents hardware devices like disks, terminals and more, some special files and all which interact with hardware, that is going to provide in this dev. Coming to etc, in etc system configuration files and scripts, these are going to be available in this etc directory. This directory is essential for system administration, setting up services and all are going to provide in this etc. Coming to home, in home directory where user home folders are located. In home files, user home folders are located in this home. User personal files, settings are stored in this respective folder or directory. A library, library user library is like a symbolic link, like a user library. This actually contains essential shared libraries which are needed for system and application functionalities and all will be available in this directory. Okay. In lib64, which is also a symbolic library, link, a symbolic link, which also contains 64-bit libraries for programs of 64-bit systems and all will be available here. And local, we are local, media, mount, opt, temp we are having. Temp, we it is like a temporary storage which is going to reboot when we're going to restart this. It is automatically going to clear the data. for anything, if you wanted to store temporarily, we can store in this temp directory. When as usually when we are going to reboot, it will automatically going to delete. Okay. And we can talk about var. Var is also like a contains variable data like logs, caches, files generated by applications. This directory, um, every time it will change, frequently it will change. So logs, files generate will be available in this var. Coming to user, this USR user level files and directories programs, libraries, documentations across system will be in network environments and all will be available in this user. Okay. Particularly system, a virtual if you're having devices and drivers similar to proc, that providing information about the devices and drivers will be available in this particular system. And particularly SRV is like a service, stands for service. It's typically used for store files. It is used for store files for particularly specific services like web servers and all will be available in this service. We're also having run, reboot, run, root, proc, OPT, mount and all. So OPT and OPT is also going to contain operational or third party software, like if you are going to, if you want to install Maven and all, which is build tool, we can install in this OPT bin path. uh, it stores all stores this add-on packages which are not managed by this particular system package managers. Okay, that we can store in this OPT. Mount, mount a generic mount point where administrators can temporarily mount this what I can say file systems. We can mount this temporarily in this mount path. And we are having media, local and all. Particularly if you wanted to talk about media is all about removal media like a USB drivers and CD-ROMs and all will be mounted mount point for this in this media. Okay, these are some basic things related to file structure. You can get this file structure in the root cd hyphen this. If you click like this, you are able to see list. If you like, if you click on list, you are able to see all this structure of these particular file systems. Okay. And particularly if I wanted to explain one by one, you are able to get an idea. This is root directory, the topmost directory of the Linux file system. Okay, everything in Linux starts from this one only. In this only all the branches into subdirectories are available. Okay, one second. Okay friends, we can continue with Linux commands. One by one we can see Linux commands, starting with ls, which is list. See, ls is a command which we are going to get all the list which are in the directory. So I'll for that see ls, if I click nothing is coming, so there is nothing in that directory. So what I'll do, cd / and then if you click ls, you are able to get all the file structure. Okay, this cd is change directory, to change the directory of that path. So again if you click cd, this tilt symbol is it is going to root directory. If you see this tilt symbol. Okay, pwd is there, which is present working directory. So currently we are in home. In home we are having an EC2 server. In that path we are currently having, we can say that present working directory. Okay, for ls we are also having ls-al. This is going to give all the information which are hidden. This dot is there means it is hidden one, which is hidden one, that is also able to see here. Okay, with the date, with the permissions also you are able to see here. And then we're also having mkdir, which is make directory. See, mkdir is a command. If you wanted to know more about this, you can click man like this, or else man mkdir. If you click like this, you are able to get the details of that command. Okay, so okay, here like this we were able to see, right? mkdir is a make directory. Press H for help, or Q for quit. I'm clicking quit, and then we can create by using mkdir some avtechie and click. If you click ls, you are able to see avtechie. This mkdir man I clicked, right? That one also created man. This is also directory. So directory is nothing but folder which we call in Windows. In Linux we call directory. Okay, if you wanted to go inside that avtechie, click av, click tab and enter. If you click ls, nothing is there inside. So what you can do, if you wanted to create any file, what you can do, you can use the command called touch is command which is going to create a empty directory or empty file. Empty file it will create, not directory. So file name, what we can do, test1. Okay, if you click ls, test1 is there. If you wanted to see what is inside that without opening that particular file, here only if you wanted to see means there is a command called cat command, cat test1. You click enter, nothing is available inside, so nothing is able to see. So if you wanted to write something or edit inside some in that file, what you can do, we are having different edit files, but for now I'm using echo. I'm learning Linux. Okay, and then what you can do, file name test1, click enter, ls, test1 is there. Again same cat to display that. If you click cat, inside that you are able to see here what is the content available. By using echo command, we have given the content inside to push into the test1 file. After that we used cat command to display what is inside that file. Okay, without opening we are able to use this command and we are able to get the details. Okay, not only cat command, we are also having different commands like vi and nano command. I will show you that as well. Vi test 1. Okay, it will open like this. Editor, this is a editor. Okay, what you can do, once you open this, click I. Okay, I is able to give you editable access. So I don't know why it is coming like this. See here, I am able to see now. I am learning Linux. I have typed previously. Now what we can do, hello world. Oh, sorry, I think I think we're having some issue with this command. Once if you type it, what you can do, you can click escape command, then shift colon WQ hyphen, click enter. See what I have typed, I only don't know because it was messed. Once we can click cat command, you can see here, hello world. Yeah, I'm learning Linux. Hello world, I wanted to give hello world, but it was totally messed up. So with why I don't know, because of this MacBook, or also this because of this instance connector, why I don't know, but okay, I'll open now Nano also. VI and Nano, VI and VIM is almost same. So same I will open. So once we open this, see already available here, we can edit, we can modify this. For this Nano, there is no I button or something, initial buttons or something. Directly you can edit. Okay, after editing, what you can do, Control O. After Control O, we can click enter. Then what we can do, Control X for exit. Okay, we have done that. And cat command, what we have modified, we can see without opening. So if you click cat command, you are able to see hello world, I am learning Linux. Okay, this is the command. Now we can we have created commands, we have edited, we can open, we are able to create directories. Now we can delete this. ls means we are able to get that details of that files. Now I wanted to, if you wanted to click ls-al, we are able to see that clear permissions and their details. So, and also if you wanted to delete this, what you can do, rm is there, rm is will remove that particular directory or its content. Okay, it will also like it is not a directory but a directory or file also it will delete, or else rm-rf means it will remove with forcefully. So okay, we can give rm test 1, click ls, it is deleted. Okay, to come back one step back in that directory, which is present working directory, we are having home ec2 server. In that avtechie, that is the path we are having. So if you wanted to come one step backward, click cd double dot, click enter. See again present working directory. I will click. See present abtechie2, we have come back to EC2 server. Okay, like this we can go back, or else totally if you wanted to go back means sudden in one step you can click directly. It will directly take us to root directory. It is already in root directory, that's what it is not changing. Okay, so ls, here we are having abtechie, right? So this one also I will show you by using this rm-rf command abtechie. It will delete that whole directory. See, you can see that it is deleted. Okay, then okay, again what I can do, already MAN directory is there now. If I wanted to move, or if you wanted to change this name, I want to rename this directory name, what I can do, MAN, I wanted to change this name as testing directory. Okay, click enter. Now you can see ls, it was renamed. Okay, by using move command mv, we can able to change that name as well. Okay, also what we can do, we can copy also. Once I will open this directory and I'll go inside and list, nothing is there. What I will do, I will create a file, touch file1, file2, click enter, ls. See, by using like this able to create a number of commands as well. So sorry, a number of files as well by using this touch command. So I have created 2 files in one go, and not I will do, now I will copy. What I will copy, if I wanted like we have using move command na, like that only we can able to see. By using move command, what I will do, I will bring this file1 to we can create directory here also, abtechie, and here file1. If you click enter, no such directory. So after creating directory only we have to do, I think. So what we can do, move file1, we can come outside, we can bring this outside, we can give this directory, so it will come outside that directory path. Here we can give file1. Okay, click enter. Now if you see here file1 is not there. Here come outside one step, click again ls. See, file1 we have moved to this place. Okay, it is moving. If you wanted to copy means it will be here and it will be there as well. For that, what we will do, copy command, file1, from this root directory to, we are copying this to, see again I am going with the same. I am giving full path, or without giving full path we can give directly testing, and here also we can only this also you can give, but I am giving whole path for clear understanding. If you click ls, file and directory is there. If you go to directory and list, see here also you are able to see this is called copy command. By copy command we can copy it. Okay. We are having find command, grep command, other commands as well. Now find command is used to particularly find the find command. What we can do, we can give root directory hyphen name. I wanted this file one where it is available. See, if you click like this, it will check where is the file is available. See, here it is there. Like this we are able to get the path of that particular file by using find command. Okay, so we're also having ls click, when click clear command, everything will be cleared. By using ls, I'll open touch command. Okay, touch command, what it will do, it will clear it. So no touch command, we can go with echo. I want some data to be stored inside this what we can give here, line line 1 and line 2 n line 3 line 4. Not only line, anything you can give here. I'm just to explain you, I'm just giving like this. You can give fruits name or something like that also. 5 n line 6. Okay, you can stop here. I'm inserting this in file 1. Okay, you can give in file 1. Okay, now file 1 is completed. What we can do, by using cat command, I said now we can, by using cat command, file 1, if you click on enter, you are able to see whole data. Here you are able to see the data of that particular file. What we can do, by using cat command, we are able to get these details, right? So if you click head command, file 1, you are also able to get the, defaultly it will get 10 lines. Okay, 10 lines, top 10 lines it will get. But if you wanted only few lines, means what you can do, head hyphen n, three lines only in here. So what will do, file 1, you click enter. So I think it all came in one single line. That's what it is not coming like this. But by using head command, first top 3 lines or how many lines you want, you can use this command and you can open. Not only head command, it will get a top 3 lines or top a number of lines if you want. By using tail command, from the bottom onwards you will able to get hyphen n 3 file 1. But now it is currently in a single line. I think that's what it is not coming, but you can do from your end. Okay, and also we are having the command called tar. tar command. Okay, wait, I'll clear for clear understanding. Tar command is there. Okay, the tar command what will do, it is going to compress or decompress the directory or file, that path, so directory. So what you can do, create mkdir some sample tar, like this. You can go into that sample one. After going, if you click enter ls, nothing is there. So what you can do, echo this is file 1. Okay, you can click double tap this, or single one also you can try once. File 1 dot text, if you give like this, yeah, it is created. Now what we can do, echo file 2, file 2. Okay, again I will do file 3, file 3. Okay, ls, enter. 3 files created. Okay, now what we can do, click on, come back one step, click ls. Okay, sample tar, and other files also there. So what I can do, tar, here I have tar hyphen cvzf. Okay, sample particular that directory name I am providing. Here what I will do, at the end, dot tar dot gz, and here particular name of that sample tar. Okay, means here what I am going to do, explain is, cvzf is, c is create an archive, it will create an archive, and v is which is going to show the progress in the terminal. Okay, progress in the terminal it will show you, and z is going to compress the archive using ggzip. Okay, and f is going to specify the particular file name of that archive. Okay, click enter. Okay, what it is showing here, file tar is there, file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay, now what we'll do, click ls. See here what is the simple sample tar, but here tar dot is gz created, it is created the archive. Okay, cz, it is going to, c is going to create the archive. Okay, it is compressed. Now to list that what is available, what we can do, tar, okay, hyphen tvzf, tvzf. Okay, particulars, if you click tvzf, what it is going to provide, it is going to list that particular zipped file. See what is there inside, these are there, file 1, file 2, file 3. Okay, okay, if you wanted to decompress or to make it like extract, we have compressed, we have to extract, means again tar, there we use a c, here we are going to use xvzf, everything is common, and sample particular that file or directory name you are able to see, it is extracted. Click on ls, so it is going to extract. Okay, here already available, that's what I can do. Wait, by using rm I can delete, right? I will delete this, so directory cannot remove. What we have to do, rm forcefully we can. So I think okay, this is directory. So directory means we can give rm dir. Okay, sample fail to remove directory not empty. Okay, so what we can do, rm dir hyphen rf what it is showing, rm dir is not empty, so because of that it is unable to delete. So particularly if you wanted to delete, we can do something like sudo su. I can go into root and I'll try once. Okay, ls. Okay, here now again that path is different. Okay, exit sudo wait ls command. Okay, sudo rmdir sample. Now click on not empty, fail to remove. Okay, so what we can do here, go into sample, click and ls. Okay, rm-rf delete file 1, file 2, file 3. It is deleted here. Now come back. Now you click this rmdir command. So sorry. Okay, it is already deleted now. Okay, it is deleted now. What we can do now, so okay, when we have deleted this one, it automatically deleted this one also, .dz also, I think, because here we are unable to see here anything, right? ls go to testing directory. So here it is available. Okay, that's what because of that path it is not showing like that. rmdir sample. Okay, now it is deleted. So again see tar xvzf xvzf particular tar that name. Okay, click ls. See, it is extracted. So by using this we can zip and unzip, we can extract and unextract. Okay, then tail command, add command, remove command, all is completed. Again, what is there, we are having some soft link command. Someone will ask what is soft link command. You need to explain them. So soft link command is a symbolic command which is going to give a shortcut, like a shortcut path for the file or a directory. It is going to give direct original paths, what I can say, shortcut like that. I'll show you. Echo about soft link, we can click like this. Okay, and then what we can do, soft link dot soft link. Okay, click enter, give ls, it is created. But what we can do, ln fns, particularly you can provide soft link short. Now we can give shortcut soft, like this soft link. Okay, you can give like this, and I'll provide what is that particular file path, file name. Click enter, file exists. Okay, sorry, I have to give ln-s, reverse we have to give soft link. Okay, here I will provide shortcut like this. Okay, click enter, click ln ls, shortcut is there right here. What you can do, ln command is going to create this link. Okay, shortcut, if you click and enter, if you provide this command, cat command, same content you are able to see in this link. And if you click cat soft link also, you are able to get same content. It is like a link, so it is in it is in some other directory. By using root directory, you can click this link. Means like a soft link, it is like a particular shortcut to particular directory or a file. Okay, then what commands are there to explain you? I already explained in previous class that ps-ef grep cap symbol grep Amazon. If you click, it will fetch that particular process ID and the details you were able to get. Okay, then what I wanted to show you is, if someone asked about you about whether the status of that particular service is running or not, whether it is stopped, what you can say, see, I'll install some. You can click systemctl, status httpd, because it is Amazon. Okay, it is not showing right, we need to install. So to install this is Amazon Linux, what I'll do, install httpd -y. This need supervisor, which is sudo yum install -y. Sorry, install httpd, we need to install httpd. No, it is installed. How we will know? Click httpd, permission denied. Okay, is there so what you can do, systemctl status httpd. Actually it is in inactive, dead. To start this one, what we can do, sudo, again it will ask super user, that's what I'm giving here, systemctl start httpd. Okay, Now we can check the status. Active, running. Like this you can able to start. You can check the start status and start. You can stop means you same systemctl httpd stop. Okay, check the status. See inactive. Like this you are able to see the services status. Okay, we're also having commands like ping command, which is going to use for networking part. We have to ping google.com. Like this if you click, you're able to see this, right? Means it is pinging. So control C. So like this ping command will going to use for testing the connectivity of that particular host. Okay, again ifconfig command is there. ifconfig command is going to provide you all the details. See ifconfig, you are able to see net mask, broadcast, inet, which is ip4, see 172.31.17.2.13. So I will open this and I will showcase you EC2 instance. See your IP address is 172.31.17.2.13. Same, right? Same, right? So like this you are able to get the details clear. Okay, we're using ifconfig command. Again we are having for network part we are having some netstat command as well. Netstat hyphen tuln or tulpn also you can give. What it is going to provide you here, what it is provided here, it is going to provide you network connections, routing tables, everything. It is listening or not, its state, TCP port, UDP or TCP. These all details you are able to get by using this netstat command, which is network statistic command. Okay, full form network statistic command. Okay, you are also having curl as we can discuss this in one video in future. Okay, for now curl command is used to fetch the data from URL. If you have any link URL, if you wanted to fetch the data by using curl, we can able to fetch like a HTTPT particular path. Currently I don't have that links and all. I will explain you in next video on that wget was curl command, and also ns lookup google.com. What this is going to provide you is the DNS names. Okay, domain name system, particular hosts, DNS information we are able to get here, google.com, IP addresses, everything. Okay, by using ns lookup. Again trace route command is there. Trace route command is going to route packets, which is going to shows the particular, it is going to provide the packets route of that particular hosts. Okay, particular google.com's host. It is going to give the route packets details. Okay, and what we are having other commands, wget also is there. Wget I will explain. I said now with wget is going to actually download. If you have a link, if you wanted to directly download by using wget, we can download. Curl is also like similar to like that only, but some differences are there. We will explain on next video clearly on that. Okay, As I said, sudo to install yum we are using here, yum install, like that we are giving now. This is related to package because we are using Red Hat, CentOS, or else Amazon Linux, or like this packages means we can use yum. If we are using Debian, Ubuntu means we'll go with apt command, apt install, like that we can give. Okay, so these are the basic commands I wanted to explain you. Okay, maybe I think most of the comments I have covered in this video. So maybe you can uh, cover other topics, other comments. If I miss, I'll cover in next video. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and subscribe this for more content for Linux, DevOps, Cloud. One by one, I'm going to explain you all the important topics. I am going to explain Linux, all the topics which is going to be more important for the interview point of view as well, and then we can go with the networking as well. This videos and this information will be helpful for interviews to crack some product based companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Linux, Flipkart. This type of content only I'm trying to provide you. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video. Happy learning. Keep exploring the